Welcome to Iven Pharmatech Engineering, your trusted partner in the pharmaceutical and medical industries. Iven Pharmatech Engineering is an international professional engineering company providing integrated solutions to the healthcare industry. With 18 years of experience, we are committed to providing global customers with satisfactory, customized solutions, including advanced project design, high-quality equipment, efficient process management, and full life cycle services. Since our founding in 2005, Iven has finished 2,500 plus production lines and 40 plus turnkey projects serving hundreds of customers from more than 60 countries. Our products and solutions help our customers improve their pharmaceutical and medical production capabilities, win market share, and build a strong reputation in the industry. We offer customized integrated engineering solutions for chemical injection pharmaceuticals, solid drug pharmaceuticals, biopharmaceuticals, medical consumables factories, and comprehensive factories. Our solutions cover clean rooms, clean utilities, pharmaceutical water treatment systems, production process systems, pharmaceutical automation, packaging systems, smart logistics systems, quality control systems, and central laboratories. At Iven, we adhere to the highest quality standards, with our design and manufacturing complying with EU GMP, US FDA GMP WHO, GMP PIC SGMP principle, etc. Our equipment parts come from internationally renowned manufacturers such as Siemens, Schneider, ABB, and Omron, ensuring you excellent quality. Our design team is led by senior experts in the pharmaceutical industry, ensuring effective project implementation. We also provide professional service teams that support multi-language online and offline services to ensure high quality and efficient support. Choose Iven Pharmatech Engineering for reliable, innovative, and customized solutions for your pharmaceutical and medical production needs. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help your business thrive in the healthcare industry.
Create value for customers.